Now for the division rule, if we have something like if x raised to power a is divided by x raised to power of b, so it is, we can say that that is equals to x raised to power a plus, oh sorry, we are dealing with a division, therefore it's not going to be plus, rather it's going to be minus b. So that is a minus b. So that is just the difference. So it's not very different from that of a multiplication rule. So let us solve some examples in order to drive in what we are trying to do. So we have the first one here, says that 10 raised to power 5 divided by 10 raised to power 2. So since we following our rules, that is going to be 10 raised to power 5 minus 2, and our answer is going to be 10 raised to power of 3. That is the first question. Let us look at the second one. The second one says that x raised to power of 6 divided by x raised to power of 3. So that is the same thing as saying x raised to power 6 minus 3, and then our answer is going to be x raised to power 3. So let us solve. We are still going to solve more examples. So let's just go to number 3. For number 3 now, we are going to have something like y raised to power 10 over y raised to power 4. You know, this one, this is still division. So it's going to be the same thing as saying y raised to power 10 divided by y raised to power 4, which is going to give us y raised to power 10 minus 4, and our final answer will still result to 5 raised to power of 6. So that is that. Let us go for number 4. For number 4, the question says 8x raised to power 5 divided by 4x. We deal with the number first. So that means we have 8 divided by 4 into x raised to power 5 divided by x. So that is going to give, if we divide the number, we are going to have 2 into bracket x raised to power 5, and then this is 1 raised to power of 1, so minus 1. So, and our final answer is going to be 2x raised to power of 4. So that is the answer to that. And the number 5 question is just a bit cunning, but it's not that cunning. It's just a mixture of two of both multiplication and division, times this one is going to be 2x raised to power of 3 all divided by 2x raised to power of 8. So when we do this, we multiply this 5 times 2, that is going to be 10x raised to power 2 plus 3 divided by 2x raised to power of 8. When we do this for that, 10 divided by 2 is what? That's going to be 5, and then we have our x raised to power 2 plus 3 is 5, then the division is minus, then minus 8. So our final answer is going to be 5x raised to power 5, oh sorry, still 5 minus 8, let me rewrite that, and then the final answer is 5x raised to power minus 3. So that is the answer, though this can still be expressed further, but don't worry, let us leave it that way for now.